It's looking pretty. The colors are nice, very soft color. Usually I don't work with soft colors. I like dark shades. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shireen. So in today's video I'll be telling you about how to start resin art, and it is for beginners because when I had started resin art I was so confused and I was searching for the videos. Then I thought to post such kind of videos so that it can be helpful for beginners and want to start resin art, because it is very trendy and everyone wants to do this art. So first, what I want to tell you that this is my table, and I cover my table with this plastic sheet, because when resin drips on this plastic sheet it cures and it comes off very easily like these skins. So I prefer this sheet, and it will save your table also, of course. If you do not have such type of sheet, you can use any garbage sheet, any, and trust me, it also works the same. Next, what you have to do is to wear gloves. Gloves are very necessary, and if you're allergic to resin, I would suggest not to get into resin art because health is most important. So wear gloves. Actually, my resin is odorless and I do not need a respiratory mask, but those who wants to wear it do wear it. It is, I won't say it's an optional, but it depends on your choice. And I work on a ventilated room because my window is always open when I'm working with resin, so I don't need a respiratory mask, but if you want to put it, you can. Next, you would need a measuring cup to measure the resin. So I measure the resin in this cup and then pour in this one. So as you can see, I've already mixed the resin because it was a last minute idea to do such video, because there was nothing much to shoot. I was just experimenting with my resin coasters, so I thought let's do such videos so that it can be helpful for everyone who wants to start this resin art and they're really confused, how do we do it, what are the essential things, because I get many DMs, many messages on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube asking me that what are the basic things which we need to start a resin art. For the colors, I use these paper cups to mix the color. 3 different types of cups and sticks I use. Next thing is this blowtorch to blow off the bubbles, or you can use this heat gun. This is my favorite. It is made in Germany. It is Stenel, whatever you call it. Then you will need colors to color your resin, of course. I use acrylic paints, oil paints, chalk paints, makeup. I use a lot of things. I experiment with a lot of colors. I don't usually use those resin pigments because it's not available in my country. So this is the reason I have to experiment with different kinds of things. So whatever color you have, just go for it. If you like glitters, I love glitters. I have these chunky ones, these ones, and recently I ordered biodegradable glitters to save the environment. So these are the things that you need to start the resin art. Gloves also I'm showing it because it is very, very necessary. For the substrate, you can use wood, any wood, plywood, bamboo wood, acacia wood, any wood you have. You can even use any plastic. Make sure the resin do not come off from that plastic. You can use glass, steel, any metal. So the resin stick mostly on all the material except silicone. So here is my mold. So I'll be working on this mold today. I'll pour some resin here for the color. And make sure you add just 10% of the acrylic paint into your resin. 10% of the resin you're using, that's all. So always start with the smaller quantity, because if you'll add more, then you'll have to add more resin, which might go waste. So I would suggest use a smaller quantity and then go forward with more pigment. So it's a beautiful shade. I love it. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. To make a little peachy shade, I will add this copper. Let's try with this amount. Mix it well. Let's pour. We'll pour on the sides. This is a very basic coaster which I'm creating. Just one color and the clear resin. That's it. I want to see the effects actually. That's why. Okay. That's good. I will add little white, not too much, just little. Let's wait and watch. So this is all cured. Now let's see how does it look now. It's looking pretty. The colors are nice, very soft color. Usually I don't work with soft colors. I like dark shades. I quite like this. So for the edges, I need to sand it. You can either have a sanding paper or you can have a sanding machine like this and you can just sand around the edges. To see my descriptive video of how do I sand my coaster, so there's a video I will link in my description box below or somewhere here on the eye icon, that's what you call it. So you can go and see that video because it's very descriptive. So that's all for the video. I hope you have liked it. If you do, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care of yourself. If you have any queries, just let me in the comment section below. I will answer them and I will make more such videos for the beginners which can be helpful for them, and whatever questions they have, I will try to answer them. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.